I have chosen MSc Corporate Finance and Banking mainly because of the reason that I wanted to work in the real economy. With real economy, I mean that I wanted to be a part of an organization where something real is generated, maybe in terms of manufacturing or the service concern. In the financial industry, we have instruments like options, swaps and future where something that tangible is not generated. So I wanted to do MSc Corporate Finance and Banking so that I can add value to the real sector of the economy.
What is unique about Duisenberg School of Finance is the fact that academia and industry personnel have come together to form the school. So it not just gives you a background into finance, which a lot of other universities also can give, but also the ethics and the behavioral aspects to make you a better leader in finance.
Duisenberg doesn't only focus on academic results, they're also very focused on your career. They guide you through every step of becoming a financial professional, applying for an internship or a job, and the Career Resource Center especially really helps you to stand out of the crowd.
Duisenberg School of Finance also offers Duisenberg Leadership Program. Within this program, we are offered workshops on communication skills, on negotiation skills and on the leadership skills. So that really empowers us to be a leader in the financial world.
The difference between studying at a small institution like Duisenberg and a regular university is that here at Duisenberg you have small classes, which gives you personal contact with your fellow students and with your professors, but also enables you to really express your ambition, because all fellow students are ambitious and they all want to be the best in finance and become leaders, and you also want that.